Ta-K-san received bamboo shoots from his friend. This time, he made Takenoko-GOHAN, cooked rice with bamboo shoots.
Oh. It's exciting.
Usually, bamboo shoots are cooked with their peels, but he removed them beforehand this time. The main components of bamboo shoot scum are homogentisic acid and oxalic acid. When bamboo shoots are cooked with rice, these components are removed. Boil the bamboo shoots for 1 hour, allow them to cool naturally to room temperature, and then refrigerate overnight. Wash the bamboo shoots and remove the rice cooked with them. Cut the bamboo shoots into 2 parts, one at the base and one at the top. Prepare the following seasonings and simmer the bamboo shoots for about 20 minutes. It has a nice flavor, and is spring-like. Cut the ginger into thin strips. Cut the fried tofu into thin strips. Cut the chicken into dice and mix with a tablespoonful of sake. The sake softens the meat and removes the smells. Add the broth in which bamboo shoots are cooked. Add the ginger, fried tofu, chicken, and bamboo shoots to the rice and cook. Bamboo shoot rice is ready. picks some Japanese pepper leaf from the garden. The leaves on top of the bamboo shoots add a spring flavor to the bamboo shoot rice.
Wow!
He burnt the bamboo shoots when he took his eyes off them.
Oh no!